Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Nate, and welcome back to another episode of Pony Power Garage.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
This episode is going to be a little different from you guys. You guys are normally, it's going to be a little shorter, more of a montage style. Regroup at the end. So I did manage to get a few recordings done of us putting together the engine like we talked about in the last video that I wanted to do. I wanted to do a video on getting the cars and everything like that, but the dude didn't want to be recorded, which I already talked about this. But anyways, so little update. So we managed to actually get the car running for a while. The reason why I have not been posting, it's just this past couple weeks I've been super busy with just jobs that I've been doing, working full time at an appliance place, and I'm trying to get this. I was trying to get this car running, also dealing with stuff in my truck. So it's been crazy, but everything is going to start slowing down now that we eliminated one of the problems. What we did was we got the heads off, everything was off, and then you guys are going to see a little bit of the cleaning process, and then us putting the heads on, and then getting it torqued down and everything like that. It's a push rod engine, so it's a little different with the rocker arms, everything like that. Everything has to be at the right spec, maybe a quarter turn type of thing. It went pretty good. And then at the end, my dad and I were trying to get it started. Well, it turns out where we had a wire that was missing to the distributor, and we had the wrong, I don't know what we came up with this firing order, but we had the wrong firing order. So we had to basically regroup and change the plugs. And then as soon as we did that, she started right up. Now we are down a fuel pump too, so she's not getting any fuel into her. So we got to get a new fuel pump, just a little miscellaneous shit, and then she will run. We obviously will do a video of us getting her out, and maybe if we end up driving her, where we take her. Boom practice is this weekend, and we're not going to be probably racing or running the car then. We are going to attend, and my dad and we're going to basically watch the cars, talk with some drivers, get some more intel, and then kind of regroup again after that, and then hopefully run her the next week. Anyways, guys, enough talking. Hope you guys going to enjoy this montage. If you guys do, drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content just like this. We'll see you guys in a minute. Hold on a second. It doesn't even like we're really getting any fuel up there. Try it again. Try it again. It's a starter now. It's turning it? What do you mean? What's it doing? I don't understand what you mean. It doesn't sound like we're getting compression.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
What? Oh. Come on, Mom. You're so scared. Let her rip. Ooh. Yeah. Oh shit. I'm covered in gas now. It blew off.